Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free Tinder Gold in 2025. This is a super simple method because it uses a Tinder promo code that you can apply right now, and it's going to save you a bunch of money because I'm sure you're aware, look, 1 month at Tinder Gold costs almost $30 US. I'm going to show you a method how to get Tinder Gold for free. This is also going to get you plus or platinum, so you can choose whatever level of upgrade you want. And it's pretty easy because it does just use a promo code that you can enter online or in the app, and it's going to upgrade your existing account. So let's get into it, guys. This is working on iPhone and Android, so it really doesn't matter which phone you have. You obviously need an internet connection. Open up the internet browser and go to this website, guys, www.robot, make sure you can actually spell, robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, make sure you spell it correctly. And you've got to go to this site here, guys. And this is basically a website with promo codes for lots and lots of different things. They have game redeem codes as well. And they have so many different pages on here. So you can go to the search bar and just search for Tinder. And you're looking for this page, the Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. Scroll down, and as I mentioned, you can not only get gold, but you can upgrade to platinum if you wish. I think platinum's the most expensive one, but Tinder Gold seems to be the most popular. So you can see these codes are limited in number, so you will need to unlock your personal promo code. So in this case, this is going to supply me with a 1 month free Tinder Gold. So press unlock code and wait for this to load up. And you're now going to see this page that says code unlocker, and you need to just follow the instructions you see here. So it says complete 2 of the free tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the unlock instructions below each of the tasks. So basically I have a list of completely free tasks and I need to select 2 of them. So it says here, complete 2 more offers to continue. So basically, guys, you need to complete 2 of the tasks. I've only got 2 here. You may see slightly more. Just complete any 2 that you see on this page and follow these steps. So it says here, this one says answer the questions, fill in your valid details. So this one is like a free survey where all I would have to do is answer questions and input my valid and correct email. This basically will verify I'm not a robot. Alternatively, you may see like mobile applications and games. You just need to just follow the instructions that it says below the 2 that you choose. And it will take you about 5 minutes maybe. And if you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page where your selected code will be unlocked and revealed. And you can then go ahead and enter it in-app or in the Tinder website in the redeem promo code section, and it's going to unlock your free 1 month gold and upgrade your existing account. And yeah, that is going to save you a bunch of money because the prices of Tinder Gold seems to be increasing a lot. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Just head on over to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to the free Tinder Gold page and enjoy. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.